And now we are going to run fdisk. Have to check the partitions. Okay, these are partitions. There's another way we can check, which is catrock partition. Okay, these are drives which we just made. These all 16 gigs. ASM 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is our CRS. Fdisk dev sd b help no primary partition, one primary partition, total number 163 84, and write. Okay, it's good. And then C, we have to do C, D, and E. So C, help help no, yes, primary partition, first 1638 16384 16384, and write. D, no help, primary partition, first partition 16384, and write. Same thing with E, no help, primary partition 163 84, and write. So out of these disks we done our okay, these were our disks. We done B, and then C, D, then E, then this is our F, so we go for F. And the F will be help no partition, primary, and 1009, and write. Okay, so we done all of them. now configure etc init.d oracle asm configure driver interface is grid, and he's the member of ASM admin group, and ASM library driver on boot up, yes. Scan to boot, yes, and it's scan, it's done. We saw earlier that we have the disks attached, which is right here as D, B, C, D, E, and F. So after our partition, what we done, you can see in here as well, like earlier, we did make these partitions. So before, as we see, there wasn't any sub-partition for B, C, D, E, F. If we run the same command, we can pretty much see that there are sub-partition made after our F disk. So let's do that and check that if we have any sub-partition. So I rerun this command, and we see there's all sub-partition made on SDB1, which is our sub-partition we made right here, and SDB1 we are creating ASM1. Okay, it's done. And for C1, B, then C, yes, for C1, SDC1 we are creating ASM disk group 2, and say that create disk ASM2, and it's created for us. So same thing for ASM3, we are created okay, for after C1 it's D1, and it's ASM3 created, and we are moving forward to ASM4, which is E, and it is E1. It's created. This is the last one, which is F1 disk, and this is for CRS, so we said that it is CRS. Okay, so we created all those disks. So now we are going to scan disks. So we can say Oracle ASM list disks. Okay, so we have all these disks. Now let's go to node 2 and configure, and grid will be the owner of the driver, and it's ASM admin group, and yes, reboot, and scanning the disks now. So we can ask him to list disks. Oh, okay, so we can see these disks here. Okay, so it's automatically discovered. The thing what we need to do is only configure the ASM driver, and we see the things appear to us. So we are good right now. We are going to run the prerequisite of the which is called clue verify script from node 1. So we are running clue verify .sh script. I did it's located at installer files grid. Okay, here is our cluster verification script. In order to run that, going to run this command. It's actually creating a result set file. Okay, finally, after that tr vi, we ran 3 checks and that was our final one, and let's see that what the results we obtained after fixing all these stuff. Okay, on the top we are right here, so pass, pretty much everything seems like pass. We don't even have any warning in here. So everything is passed, nothing duplicated, no warning. And finally, the prerequisite check is passed.